AI engineering is about to change and it's never going to be the same again. Companies are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to entry-level AI engineers. There's never been a better time to get started. If you're looking to get into AI engineering, listen up, you're going to want to hear this. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard about the Chinese company DeepSeek. They released a new model, R1, that matches the performance of OpenAI's top models. It's significantly cheaper and it's open source. You can access the model via Hugging Face and build applications around it, all without paying for an expensive API like ChatGPT. Nobody was expecting this, and it's definitely going to change the field. The number one impact is that the number of AI engineering jobs is going to increase. Up until this point, if you wanted to build a state-of-the-art AI application, you'd have to use the ChatGPT API. You get charged based on how many words the model generates, and this can get pretty expensive. And yes, there were open source models like Llama, thank you Zuck, but these weren't quite as strong as the models from OpenAI. But DeepSeek's models are god tier and they're open source. So you can now build endless applications for a fraction of the cost. Combine that with AI coding assistants like Cursor and you're golden. I talked to 3Blue1Brown about this recently and here's what he had to say.
Yeah, the software engineers, it feels like the need for good software engineers remains strong and growing intensely.
So the takeaway here is to build, and build some more. By the way, for anyone that's new here, my name's Dev. I started off working with creators like NeetCode, and we built an ML programming platform. It's like LeetCode, but for machine learning. We even had Grant from 3Blue1Brown endorse our platform. This channel is for anyone looking to get into AI engineering, but you need to actually want to learn how the models work. So if you don't care about actually understanding models from scratch, this channel isn't for you. Two, if you're just happy importing APIs and being a TensorFlow Timmy, this channel also isn't for you. And if you'd rather watch endless roadmap videos rather than actually building your portfolio, this channel definitely isn't for you. All right, the NPCs have probably left the video by now, so the last thing I want to leave you with is a sense of urgency. I want you to realize that you need to get started now. You don't have all the time in the world. If you haven't started building your portfolio yet, ask yourself, why are you still putting it off? Let's say you don't have any work experience in AI yet. It's completely fine. Building a portfolio is the best way to actually learn new concepts and showcase your skills to hiring managers. AI and specifically deep learning is moving faster than ever. So you need to get started now. No more roadmap videos, no more passively watching tutorials, no more procrastinating on which course you want to follow or which project you're going to build. Just pick one and get started. I do have my own product, LLM Liftoff, which is linked in the description, but you don't need it. What you do need is to get started now. Get your hands dirty and start building. And remember, don't be a TensorFlow Timmy.